Good morning, Michelle Glass here, and our topic for today is how to construct a dichotomous key. You're going to be using this dichotomous key as a tool to help you identify your unknown organism, and this dichotomous key is also something that you need to turn in your assignment Dropbox. The term dichotomous means something that divides into two branches. So as you are constructing your key, you want to make sure each opportunity you're going to separate out, further divide two branches, two branches, two branches at a time, with your goal being to isolate each different type of species. So let me give you an example. I'm not going to do the whole key for you, obviously, but I'll give you a little example. So if you're starting out with your unknown organism, the first task that you would do is your gram stain. So if you're looking on page 46 of your lab manual, if you're looking over your results from E6, from E4, E5, E6, and E7, you'll see that our organisms fall into one of two categories. So this is beautiful for our key. Your organisms can either be gram positive or they can be gram negative. Now, if we look at our gram-positive, we see that they can have different cellular morphology. So that might be the next route you go with those. If you look at the gram-negatives, we see they all have the same cellular morphology. But if we notice on our chart on page 46, they do have different motilities. So that's going to be my next characteristic that I use to separate out. So here I'm dividing my gram-negative group into two branches, either the non-modal branch or the modal branch. When I do that, I see that that actually isolates out Klebsiella pneumoniae. So now I know definitively that I have that particular organism. If I have a group of modal organisms, there's still three in that list. So I need to further branch out and determine what I would do there. So ultimately, you're branching 2 times for each characteristic until you're able to trace down the line and clearly identify all 9 of these possible organisms. If you have any questions, like always, please contact me.